The structure is the original home of J.H. Cole's family. It dates back, it's documented to 1810. So I was able to buy it. I bought it last February. And then, this came upon me to do something really unique for the city.
So it's a 300-year-old house that's been transformed into an art mansion. Some people call it like the Graff Mansion. But to everybody else, it's known as the First City Project. And it's an effort to bring the community together through art. And that's by getting local teachers, community leaders, and famous artists from all around the world, even amateur artists, where everyone's welcome.
We have a really good combination of street artists that are actually paint in the streets, and then gallery artists. So it's a really good balance of what I call high-end market art compared to like the street art works for everybody. So you can see that as you walk through the house that you have that really well-balanced group of artists.
Definitely a new experience. Being an artist, you're always hit with new experiences. You don't know what you're gonna do every day, so it's pretty exciting.
The art movement is a powerful movement, and it obviously brings conversation, it brings new people to a community. Obviously, when you create new traffic to a community, you create business for the local businesses, and Glen Cove is starving for something new.